Hello everyone and welcome back to Kim's Creations. I am going to do a galaxy style pour using the largest canvas I have ever used to date, a 24 by 24. And the colors that I was requested to use were the warm colors, reds and oranges. So I'm adding in some yellows, and as a contrast color I'm going to use the dioxazine purple from Liquitex Basics. You can see all the colors are out here. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start layering my cup for this big 24 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas. Okay, well, I'm going to start with this was the lemon iridescent. I wanted to say it was flash, but it's not. Arteza's lemon iridescent. And so whatever's at the very bottom of your cup, remember, is going to be what comes out last. So I'm going to sandwich this lemon color with a little bit of gold, just a little. And that's the 24K Extreme Sheen by Deco Art. One of my last two little bottles, and I can't find even the big tubs, which is what I would normally use, of the Deco Art. Now I'm going in with this deeper yellow. This is the beautiful Fire Opal. It's a metallic paint as well as the gold so far. All right. Now I'm going to mix the Fire Opal with a little bit of this Bordeaux red. That looks beautiful. And I think I'm going to come in with the dioxazine purple now. Beautiful. I'm going to put in some of this beautiful orange now. I'm going to add a little gold again. It's 24K gold. I'm going to sandwich it with some of this white. The white has, this is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and it also has some satin enamels mixed in by Deco Art. Wow. All right, there's my cup. Got a couple bubbles on the top. Just gonna use my torch to pop those. Except for what happened with that one. There. Okay, I'm gonna get the cup out of the way. Right. Just give it a good stir again and pour it out. I have to make quite a big puddle this time. Just gonna stretch this out. I just mixed up the paint. Did I already say that? I don't know. But I did just mix up the paint, and so there are quite a few bubbles in here, and there's going to be more bubbles too, just because of air getting forced into the paint as I was pouring it out. So, oh, got another bubble on the top of my paint cup here. There, gotcha. Okay guys, let's do it. So the higher you hold your cup up, the more the paint will blend. I think I am going to do a little twist on this one as well. Slow the cup down. Twist it back. Now I'm just moving the cup back and forth a little bit to allow the paint to kind of jiggle out and fold over on itself. I am so not centered, am I? Oh well, let's see. Catch the drip. Look at the cup in there. Beautiful layers. Ooh, see some sparkles. It's from the flash. Or not the flash, the iridescent. Jeez. Okay, I'm just running this round in a circle. Just gonna stretch it out a little bit. You probably see on the surface that there are some bubbles. I'm just gonna try and, there we go. Set it down gently. I'm gonna pop some bubbles. I'm gonna put some flow extender around the side while this kind of sets up and develops. So I've got three new things going on with this for me all at one time in one painting. I am using a canvas size that I have never used before, 24 by 24. I am using an iridescent paint. Again, I've not used that before. And third is that I am using mix as my pouring medium. So I'm quite excited about all of this. Trying to see how, I guess I'll stand here. And I am going to swing it back around in a circular motion because I do want to keep the pattern. So as you can see, the flow extender, because it's thinner than the paint that I poured out of the cup, it's preventing the paint from rolling over itself and losing the gorgeous colors for the most part. There's a little bit of rolling over that I'm seeing here now, but that's okay. Wow, this is big. I have something in my paint over here. Right there. I see something jiggling, or the paint jiggling there, so I'm gonna grab some tweezers Probably some kind of goober. Oh yeah, look at that. Ew. Get it out of your paint now. Luckily it was on the end. I'm going to, it looks like I got another goober over here. Where did it go? All right, I'm just gonna wipe my tweezers off. You kind of tell when, see how the line here bumped out? There's something underneath causing it to do that. So it's best just to get it out while you see it. I'm also going to torch again because in moving the paint around, more bubbles come to the surface. Guess this is kind of a fun hobby to have if you like playing with fire. Which I do, in a good way, not in an arson way. The gold mixed with that brown really well over here. I love that. Most of that's going to end up tipped off, but let's see. And the purple. All right. Let's bring that over and round. I'm going to have it come off that far corner. Bring it down. Bring the paint back. I'm going to send it around. Sorry, you guys probably can't see. I'm going to try and move. Go off that corner closest to you guys. I'm going to bring this back. I'm opening all this back up. Take your hands around the canvas. Oh yeah, I got nice whole blobs of paint on the floor. I'm gonna take it off. I'm just gonna keep moving around so I can keep this painting in frame as much as possible. Get that white off the end, okay. And back. So right now I am just centering the weight of the paint. Move around one more time. Where are we at? Okay. Okay. Bring this back to the center here. Oh. Looks like I lost a foot on my canvas. Okay. Yeah, over here. My little push pin. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it back in. Well, that's not good. I'm just going to prop it up like that for a second. Look at my composition. I want it. Just going to bring that down a little more. Oh. Lost 2 push pins now. This is not good. I'm gonna fix my edges. You can just grab some paint that's come down on the sides and just pop it on. look at the surface of your painting, you'll be able to see where the bubbles are. You definitely want to try and get them out now before it dries, because once it dries, they'll just show up as like little pinpricks. Wow. So the big thing about pouring medium that I used mix is its transparency. And so basically what that means is it shows the colors that are underneath and kind of the patterns that it's making. And it's absolutely gorgeous to see. I love how the gold has mixed with the brown that I made. The flash should be interesting to see. All right, hold on. I'm gonna take you in for a close-up. This thing will let go of my phone. Okay, I'm gonna try and move this slowly. Okay. Sorry, it's gonna be hard with the glare there. Maybe I'll turn. There. See how beautiful that is? And the yellow mixing with the orange. It's looking a lot darker there than it really is on the camera. But look at this area here. That's a good example of the transparency right there. And the lines, look at that. The layers of the paint. And the blending here, look at that copper. And I didn't even put copper in, but that would be the mix of the burgundy and the and the fire opal together, and some of the yellow even. And these gorgeous lines here, oh, that Prussian, what is it? Dioxazine purple, not Prussian blue. Dioxazine purple, look at that. And look at the cells through here that have come up through mix. You guys know I love my cells and my boulders. Let's just, yeah, this, look at these lines. Just amazing. And I'm slowly circling in to the middle. And again, you can see that kind of the swirl pattern here, again, because I turned my cup. I think it adds a little more interest. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate your time. If you like this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Till next time.